Generally, in automotive and aerospace industry, it requires structural work of high strength material. The specific strength of material is needed. That is the need of the day. What is meaning of a specific strength of the material? A specific strength of material means a material which is having high strength but less weight. So in the aerospace industry, like aircraft, if they are made with the lightweight material having high strength, they will be the better. The design will be better. Thus, these materials which have got high specific strength will have more hardness also. Now, if hardness is more, it is difficult to form. They are not formable. Now, we have to develop a metal forming technologies by which we can get material converted into a useful product. Now, material we need to process before going the metal forming techniques. By processing, we can increase its mechanical properties, change its microstructure, grain structure, so that we can further use it for further production purpose in the metal forming. High specific strength materials such as titanium alloy are day by day developed by this process by changing their microstructure, and they are used for the aerospace technology. Other materials which are used in the metal forming like copper and brass, which are more formable, are also play important role in day by day in growth of our nation. Thus, materials have its great demand in many fields. This titanium alloy has got its demand also in the medical field because it can be used inside the human body. It is biocompatible. If any bone is to be replaced, generally doctors prefers to put in place of bone a titanium alloy made bone. Titanium and other materials are used in automobiles also. Automobiles, we use the titanium, less weight, a lightweight vehicle we can obtain. Thus, a lightweight vehicle will give more mileage. Thus, we can save the fuel cost. There are many forming operations which are used in the production, such as blanking, punching, drying operations. What is a blanking operation? Blanking is searing operation. Blanking is a searing process in which punch and die are used. What are used here? Punch and die. What are the equipment used for the blanking? Please remember, punch and die. For this, a press is required in which we will fit the die and will fit a punch. Now this punch will descend, and on the die will keep the sheet metal. When punch will descend, it will come in contact with the sheet metal. It will punch out a portion of the sheet metal, and that punch out portion is called blank, and the process is called blanking. In other words, blanking is a process of removing the blank from the sheet metal with the help of die and punch, and this blank is product. If the removed portion of the sheet metal or punched out portion of the sheet metal is used, then the process is called blanking. Now, these blanks are very much useful. These blanks are used for the formability testing to make the samples, test pieces. These blanks can be used anywhere. These blanks are also used to blank the exhaust pipe of the aircraft whenever aircraft goes for the maintenance purpose for longer time, so nothing should enter inside the aero engine through exhaust pipe. There are many applications of the blanks. Another process is called the piercing process. Piercing process, its other name is also a punching process. What is a piercing process? In the piercing process, it is also a shearing process in which punch and die are used. What are the equipment? Again, punch and die. Thus, the equipment used in the blanking and punching are same. Tooling is same, punch and die. In this process also, on the die, we put a sheet metal, and the sheet metal will come in contact, the punch will come in contact with the sheet metal. It will again punch out a piece of the sheet metal, but this punch out the sheet metal piece will be thrown out. What is useful here? The useful is the sheet metal which I kept over the die. And this sheet metal with the holes is used as a product. Thus, piercing operation is a shearing operation where a die and punch are used. The sheet metal is kept over die, punch descends, and some portion of the sheet metal is removed. The punch out portion is thrown away as a scrap, and the sheet metal with the hole is a product. Remember here, what is the product? Sheet metal with the hole is a product. Then it is called piercing operation or punching operation. This is very much clear from this figure. Let us see here. This is the blanking punch, blue color. And then this is white color is the white color. This white color is the sheet metal. And this sheet metal is kept over the die plate. This is the die. And now this, whenever this die plate is kept, sheet metal is kept, to control that sheet metal should not move here and there. One guide plate we keep from the top. And then punch will come. This punch will come with the high pressure, and it will go inside the sheet metal, and the sheet metal, a portion will be cut, round portion will be cut. And this round portion will be ejected out when the punch goes up, and this ejected out portion, cut out portion, punched out portion removed from the sheet metal is called blank, and the process is called blanking. Other process, piercing. Same way, sheet metal is kept over the die, and then punch will come. Punch is coming in contact with the sheet metal. Again piece is removed. This punch out piece will be thrown out. The leftover piece of the sheet metal with a hole is called the product, and the process is known as piercing process. Here in piercing process, tooling is same, die and punch, and sheet metal, punch will go and remove a portion of the sheet metal, but this removed portion is not used. What is used? Leftover the sheet metal with the hole, that is used as a product, and we call it as a piercing process. This process is useful in the production like cylinder head gasket, which is a metallic gasket we make, in that one there will be 6 cylinders, suppose in the engine, 6 holes will be there. So this process is also very much used in the many operations. This is also very much clear by this figure. You see the first figure, in this one white color this blank is removed, and this white color blank if we use, then this is called the blanking process. What will use here? White color blank will use. White color blank will use, then it is called blanking process. Now in this operation, a sheet metal has been used, and from the sheet metal 3 portions are removed. So 3 holes, it became 3 holes. And this leftover sheet metal with the 3 holes is used as a product. Then this sheet metal with 3 holes is used, and then the process is called piercing process. This piercing process, blanking process are very much useful. Many products are made by these operations. Next class, we'll discuss the clearance between die and punch. Thank you. Thank you very much.